Here's that GE box fan I picked up last Thursday. It's been a couple days now, and I'm going to attempt to try and clean it up. I believe the model name for this one is W2, but someone may correct me. It's an interesting model. It's thermostat, obviously. So, it won't work because thermostat's on. So I'm going to try to take this duct tape off, although it feels like the handle might have severed. Whatever the hell this thing is. Try to clean the sides. Definitely going to try and get the crap that's inside here off. Might try to take the blade off. And the motor needs to be oiled. Because right now, I just ran it so it's not going to be locked out. But to me, it seems like that the low speed should be faster than this. So, yeah. Thermostat does work, though. Go straight to high again. It's not rattling as bad. It doesn't run bad, and it's actually pretty quiet. Not sure how to get the grills off on this, although it looks like there's a hook and a hook, and then some sort of mechanism. Maybe it's screwed in, I don't know. I believe that this is actually supposed to be the front grill because it says automatic on it, and I would assume that's supposed to be the front. So we'll have to see. The motor, which could use a good cleaning. We're gonna have to wait and see. Figured I'd give you a look at the bottom since I didn't do that. Pretty rusty, although it doesn't look like any of that has come through, so that's good. Interestingly, the cord actually spits out on the bottom, so you have to set it on the cord, which is interesting. It sort of feeds in, goes to the wire nuts there, and then it just sort of runs up there to the switch. I think that's the thermostat, and then to the motor. Was able to get the front grill off. I just had to unscrew these two screws, which are rusty, but they were just in like that. And I don't know how in the hell I'm going to get those clips back in. And there's a screw. Yep. There's the grill. I assume that's the back. The clips, it is unplugged. What is this? Oh, God, that is nasty. Oh, I don't know what is on my hand, but I need to wash it right now. The weird part is that it doesn't seem actually that locked up. This is like not even dirt. It's like some sort of silty material. This might take the cake as the messiest fan I've ever worked on. This thing had to have been used in like a workshop for years. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna see if I can get it to do it again. I just used a little burst of air. Watch. Oh my. Look at the shit that is in the... Can't do that. Oh my God. That is most definitely the most disgusting object I have ever tried to wear. I mean, you can see it looks better already just from a wipe. Look at the towel. Those are the towels that I use to wipe it down. There are some filthy fucking people in the world, let me tell you. Oh, oh my God. That is surface rust, by the way. What is in this? Let's see if we can... Oh my God, the amount of dust that's coming out of the motor. Look at the shit. Oh my... I'm actually, like, feel like I'm gonna throw up doing this. Oh my god. What is that shit? Oh my... Okay. One more. How is there even shit still in there? It better run better. That is the bottom, so there's surface rust. Oh my god. Seriously, I think I'm gonna throw up. Hold on. Okay, I think I'm good. So that's after. This side still needs cleaning. Oh my god. I just gagged. How is it this dirty? Oh my god. Hold on. Oh. Hold on, I think I need to throw up. Let me pause this. In here is all the hardware. We're going to take this and ultrasonic it. That needs a good cleaning. Jesus Christ. Here's a handle. It was held on by 2 screws that are in the ultrasonic. Worth noting that I could not, even though this moves, couldn't figure out a way to get these knobs off. And I don't want to break them. More ultrasonic. We'll do one more. I'm going to try to find a handle for one of these on eBay or something. Throw this piece of shit away. You can tell it's broken. I can feel just through the duct tape. It's metal underneath, which is interesting. Which makes me wonder if metal... I don't know how the metal would have snapped. Maybe I'll play with this and see if I can figure out how to fix it, because this fan is extremely heavy to lift without a handle. But I'm going to clean that. If anybody can decode this sticker, let me know. It says 5/4. Could be May the 4th. It possibly could also be 5 of 64, like May of 1964, which wouldn't be, I wouldn't be surprised. So if you guys know, let me know. I'm willing to bet that it's May of 64, but you tell me. There it is. Determined that screw wasn't part of it. It's done. Cleaned up to the best I can do, which is a hell of a lot better than before. You can actually see the bottom and the ring of the fan now. All of the rest of that is caked on. Some of it is surface rust that's flaking, but that's all clean down there. So let's turn it on high. Works perfectly. Thermostat works. Go to medium. Just bounce. And low. It actually spins on low. Back to high. And a spin down. It actually spins down a lot more freely too. definitely. Wow, that takes a while. Took like 5 seconds before. It's probably just going to keep doing that. I think there's a blade that's off balance. I don't know. So I'll take you a run-up of what I did. Took the handle off, cleaned it. Going to try and find a new one on eBay. Cleaned the silver part, cleaned the entire cabinet, cleaned the grills, put the one that says automatic on the front like it should be. Clean the back grill, clean the inside of the cabinet, inside and out, loosen the motor screws so that I could clean them. I didn't take it out though. Cleaned the blades, took the grills off, cleaned them. The hardest part was actually getting the grills back on with those clips, which wasn't super difficult. But it was pretty, I mean, it took some time. Took the screw out of it that was in the bottom cabinet. Tried to replace the wire nuts that are right there, but it turns out that those are factory sealed, so I cannot. And that's basically it. All I did, and it looks much better. Just got to clean up down here. Probably going to use the Kirby, because this is disgusting. I need to wash the shop towels. Can't use bleach this time because there's rust. And yeah, now we have a fully functional fan. All the rest of that dirt down there is just like surface rust. It's as much as I could do. So there you go. The GE box fan cleaned up. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see. And follow me on the web, wix.com/theelevatorworld/fans. Bye-bye.